Hello, Better Sheets members, lifetime members specifically. Thanks for watching this video. There's been a lot of changes at bettersheets.co on the website, so I wanted to put together this little tour to show you around what is available in Better Sheets to lifetime members, to you. And so we're going to get started. First things first, the things you see on the main page, blog, tutorials, formulas, tools, that's not everything. So let's get started. And you might be wondering what's that formulas. So member login, you can log in here. If you are a lifetime member and you have never logged in before, you will have to click sign up. And when you do that, you'll need your code. So either you've purchased directly from AppSumo within the since April 2022. If you purchased before April 2022, then you'll get a code from Gumroad, right? If you bought on AppSumo before 2022, what that process was that you redeemed on Gumroad first and got access to a Loom folder. That is no longer the most up-to-date place. So you'll want to sign up here. Again, you'll need the code, the license key from Gumroad. I did email that to everyone. So if you don't have an email in your inbox from me, maybe it has the word license key in it, or maybe from Gumroad, you can actually go to Gumroad and you can find your license key there, and that's the same code when you sign up. So if you sign up, it looks like this. You'll sign up first, then you'll add the code in. There should be instructions as well in the in your inbox. Essentially, it's just bettersheets.co/Gumroad. So we can go there, and you'll see bettersheets.co/Gumroad. That's probably better to sign up there. Or if you are coming directly from AppSumo since April 2022, it'll look like this. Same thing, bettersheets.co/AppSumo, but once you enter that code, it is $0. So we will first sign in. We'll log in. So you've already signed up. We'll log in. You'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you will be able to see your last completed video. If you've already watched a video and marked it as complete, it'll show up here, the last one you did. That helps you to It helps to remind you where you've left off if you've not come back for a while. All the topics are here for you to easily access them at any time. They're sort of groups of videos, and we'll get into that soon. If you are enrolled in any courses, all lifetime members get all the courses for free, so you'll just have to click enroll, and you'll be able to track your progress here. You'll see a little progress bar here and how many videos you've watched of them, and you can also unenroll if, for instance, for any particular reason. If you've redeemed any products, they'll show up here as well, so you can get them again or grab them from the link. Go here, you can view the product there, and you've probably already marked them redeemed. Now, let's go back up to tutorials. As I said, the stuff at the top, the headers, there's more than once you log in. So we have tutorials here, and we'll get through all of these. Well, we'll skip one because that's a future update. On the tutorials page, you can filter tutorials by their name. So add any keyword you want here. Click enter, and you'll be able to see. You'll see any free ones too. This is to help you share if you have any friends or family who you're like, oh, you should check out this video. Any of the free ones, they will be able to see as well. Type in any keyword here. Find any videos that have that keyword in the title. If you also want to search by these tags, you can also faceted, which means you'll get less results than 278 right now tutorials. There's 3 for data validation. Here's the most popular. If you click over here on the right, most popular, you'll see the 13 most popular videos. Eventually, there it goes. Also, I've tagged in beginner, intermediate, and advanced videos. But you might be looking not just for sort of general videos, you might be looking for something specific. So I've created this list of formulas. And this is, if the formula is featured in the video, we'll mark it as that on creating that video here. So if you click on if, you'll be able to see all the videos, 20 tutorials here that include the if function. They're not necessarily about the if function or formula rather, but they will include it and they will feature the if formula being used, discussed in some way. So you'll see a lot of use cases for it. Speaking of formulas, if you click up here on formulas and you do like to view based on formula, or you're like, what is this formula that I'm trying to use? I can't figure out the syntax. This is the most comprehensive database of Google Sheet formulas that exist, and I will tell you why. Because when you go to this page, there's 501 pages here. If you click on one, it will show you the syntax. Once it loads up, it'll show you a description of it, the syntax of how to use it. It'll give you a link to the Google Docs, which has some of this information. But what the Google Docs does not have are videos. So now you can watch the videos that include this formula, and it'll be all of them. So if we click on this video and we go to say and we're like, oh, there's nothing here. 1 second. All right, so if you are looking for, actually, I'll show you a better way to do this. If you are looking for a specific formula, literally all you have to do is go to bettersheets.co/formulas/ and then type that formula name. So IF for if, AND for and if you do this, right, it will bring you to this page. What we're doing, and we're updating this constantly, is we're adding new videos, and there'll be, once a new video comes in and it features this, it'll show up here. But we'll also include external links, which means blog posts, YouTube videos, anywhere we find some great information about these formulas, we're going to add them here. So this is going to be even better than it is now. And right now it is the most comprehensive database of formulas, even including in this Google Docs own help docs here. This does help a little bit, and it's how I've learned, but it doesn't show you how to use these formulas. At least I show you all these videos how to use this formula. But sometimes you're not necessarily looking for one formula. You're trying to do stuff. So I have developed some courses, and these courses are going to be videos, groups of videos that you should watch in a particular order. You can enroll in them and then watch in that particular order. The one that I would recommend is the newest course here called Spreadsheet Automation 101. It is 31 videos now. Actually, I keep saying 29 videos, and I keep forgetting that I added some more, like Think Like a Programmer. This is actually a really good video to help you develop the mindset of a coder. If you haven't ever coded before, it can be very confusing, complex. You can feel very insecure when you're trying to code and trying to learn to code. But this video right here, the mindset of an AppScript coder, will help you turn around and say, everybody is uncertain. We'll always have to constantly be working. So let's just get to it, right? And then in this course, I walk you through literally knowing nothing to knowing how to create automatic processes in your Google Sheets. So it's really fun. I highly recommend it. Enroll. You're a lifetime member. It's absolutely free. Enroll in it, and it'll show up on your dashboard. Courses that you enroll in will show up on your dashboard. So moving on. Again, I'm skipping that snippets because it's actually really cool, and I'm excited about it, but it's not yet ready. All right, topics. These are more general use cases of how you use Google Sheets. So you might want to be building your own tools. You might be doing data analysis, data management, or you do some automation. And these are groups of videos that I think are great for that. Or if you want to do better design in your videos, check these out. These are on your dashboard already, and you can access them through topics. You can track how many you get through by just completing the video and marking as complete. So if you go to a video, My Favorite Fonts, and you mark this as complete, and we come back here, it will have a checkmark, not a checkbox. It'll have a checkbox so that you will know I watched this already. But it will also give you the opportunity to watch it again if you're like, in this particular context, how is this video useful, right? So it allows you to still watch them, even though it says, hey, you've already watched this. A very soft little light way to tell you you've watched this. All right. The last thing we're going to talk about, the second to last thing, is tools. These are tools and templates. These are all available externally on outside of Better Sheets, but because you're a Google Sheet user and a Better Sheets member, lifetime member, you get them all for free. So all you have to do is go to the page, click buy now, and once you've bought, click this button, mark as redeemed, and that will then say you've redeemed it. But you can always still go see it again. You can always get that product again. Don't worry about it. You're not killing yourself. You're not stopping yourself from getting it again. But yeah, go ahead, get that product, get these, download them, use them. There might be some videos on how to use them. You'll get a sheet. Yes, most videos that exist will have a sheet here down below somewhere. If there is a sheet available, I'll give you the sheet. But the tools are predominantly more templates and things that have a little bit more videos around it. So check them out. The last thing is, if you want notifications on what's new, what are the new videos, I want to show you where to do that. So you can click over here and click settings. You can also go to your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard and then you click settings, and then we'll scroll down. So you scroll down to the bottom of your settings. Again, you can get that by going to your dashboard or going in the upper right corner and clicking settings. Down on the bottom is email preferences. This allows you to say how often and what do you want sent to you. Emails will be sometimes a digest of all the videos added, or if you only want every week, you can say, hey, send me updates only every week. I gotta fix this. So you can change this to weekly, or there it is. That actually is what it should look like. You can have daily or you can have weekly. Those are the two most popular right now. And whenever I add a video, it'll show up in a little digest. So if I add maybe 4 or 5 videos in one day, you'll get only one email that says, hey, today we added these videos. If I add 4 or 5 videos or 10 videos in a week, you'll get an email that says, here's all 10 videos we added this week. So make sure you either choose daily or weekly. That's probably the most popular. I'm not adding a massive amount of videos at the moment. I did at the end of December add 29 videos in one day, but that was an entire course. And so you would get that email and say, hey, here's a new course as well. I'm excited that you're able to use all this stuff. I hope that Better Sheets does really help you build confidence in Google Sheets and that you can get better at Google Sheets. If you have any questions whatsoever, email me, andrew@bettersheets.co. I'm happy to help. Happy to help you also log in and sign up. If you're watching this video and you're like excited to get in here and you're like, I can't sign up, email me. I'm happy to get you that code if the code exists. Again, you can probably find that on AppSumo or Gumroad, and just go to bettersheets.co/Gumroad or /AppSumo and sign up yourself. I'm really excited also about this new snippets feature. It's literally already changing the way that I'm coding inside of Google Sheets. That's a little hint of what it does and how it does it and what the outcome is. So thanks for watching. Bye.